Hello, my name is Hannah Luna, and I'm going to be talking about what teachers and schools can do to promote learning. Promoting learning is important as students will be able to gain new skills, new opportunities, and it will help them find innovative solutions to their problems. Allowing students to feel like they have a choice when it comes to learning can encourage them to participate and show effort. This can encourage students to have ownership in their learning, and it will lead them to make and face their mistakes. Students could be more self-aware, and it would also cause students that never participate to want to participate. By providing choices and options, educators will signal openness to negotiating the middle ground and offer students opportunities to practice decision-making, exploring their academic identity, and connecting their learnings to their interests. Project-based learning will allow students to utilize original documents and data to learn in more meaningful ways. This can be done in solo projects or group projects, and it could be made to cover entire lessons for the whole year. Students will then be able to present their findings to the class, and this will cause students to engage in the project and use their deeper thinking skills. Supportive environments are important because if a student knows that their teacher or school cares about them and they have a relationship with them, they will feel comfortable, included, valued, and it will allow them to be motivated to learn, and they are more likely and willing to participate. Creating groups and learning groups can be created so students of different levels can come together for a collaborative learning process. This will allow students to work and think together. Students will be able to think deeper and improve their thinking skills as they are sharing each other information. Positive reinforcement is a type of behavior management that focuses on rewarding what students do well. Positive reinforcements can be from simple praising to giving them rewards. Using this method can lead students to stay encouraged on the task at hand, as they will understand that they will get reinforcement after or during. Teachers can also use positive reinforcement when dealing with students that are having behaviors or not listening. They can praise or reward the other students, and the student who is not listening will then redirect his attention back to the task, as the reward or praises will be appealing. Engagement is important as when a student is engaged in the classroom, they are more likely to be involved and want to be invested in the content they are learning. Students best learn when they are motivated. And as an educator, they should offer learning activities that will have cognitive involvement and emotional connection with the learning content. Educators should provide such activities that students are more likely to be engaged and will also be more likely to learn. Schools can adopt technology, as the use of technology can improve a school and its students. It allows for students to be engaged, and it engages auditory and visual learners. Students will be able to share their work and communicate more productively and creatively. Teachers can also maintain the records and assignments using software tools to stay in touch with students, families, through emails. With adopting technology, schools will be able to reduce administrative costs by using technology tools, as other fields have done, and it will be able to provide more funds for the classrooms. Making sure a classroom is stimulating will cause students to be able to move around more, learn new ways of receiving knowledge, and they will be encouraged to question things that are around them. Stimulation will encourage the use of critical and evaluative thinking. It would also encourage students to contemplate the implications of their scenarios. Their surroundings will feel more real, and it would lead to more engaging interactions by learners. Schools involving parents more can have great benefits. Not only will it increase academic performance, but it would also have a positive influence on a student's attitude and their behaviors. If a parent shows interest and is involved and shows interest and encouragement in a child's education, it can affect the child's attitude towards school, their classroom conduct, self-esteem, motivation, and participation. Thank you for listening, and here's a list of references I used for my presentation.